Hey there, it's Maggie. Okay, so I've got another review. I don't know if you remember or if you even watched the video. A while back I was making candles and I was using Temu supplies and Dollar Tree supplies, getting her done. There was only one issue. I was doing it in my kitchen and getting wax everywhere. And my wife is a kind, patient woman, but even her patience was running a little thin with how messy all of my hobbies seem to be. So I decided to go out and get one of these hot plate thingies that come with one of the little kettle thingies. I got it on Amazon, and I'll put up here, you know what I mean. But this was the, I swear, this is how it's spelled, BBXI, no, BBAXI, so Babaxi. Candle making pouring pot with electric hot plate for melting wax, candle wax, melting pot with heat resistant handle, and long stain spoon candle making kit for adults and beginners. And this kit, the pot, the spoon, and the hot plate was $26.99. And it was a one-day delivery on Prime. So I said, that fits in the budget. So we're going to give it a test and see what happens. And this is where this can all go really bad or really good. Okay, so see this candle? It still smells really good. It's one of those forever ago, I don't even know when. I had a friend who was selling those candle things. So now I still have some of the sconces and the candles. Well, because I have cats and I had children and everything else. Oh, it's smoking. I never light my candles. So this one's gotten all dusty and ooky. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to melt it down and hopefully not set off my smoke detector that's right above me. And put it into one of my Temu molds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to time how long it takes for this big ass, what are they called? Not column, but you know what I mean. Big candle to melt down. Okay, so I'm going to time it and I will be back when it's melted. Okay, I'm back. It's been, wrong song. It's been about 15 minutes and it's just about melted. There's a little clunk in there, but honestly, pillar, that's the word, by the way. It's like a 5-inch pillar candle. So, I mean, in its defense, that's a beefy candle. So, but it didn't have a wick in it because the wick fell out a long time ago. I don't know where it went. But anywho, so what I want to do now, but yeah, it melted it. I am going to, okay, so next I'm going to put it in a mold. But my question is, well, let me move it so you can see it. Can you see this? This is the mold I'm using. Okay, thanks. That didn't work well. Anyhow, oh my Lord, it's one of those days. Okay, so I got these wooden wick thingies from Temu I wanted to use. But what do you think? Do you think I can do it like that? I don't know. We're going to find out though. Okay, let's see how this does. And I'm wearing a pretty shirt, so let's see if I can do this without burning myself. And you missed it during our little intermission. The kitten decided to jump up on the table. I thought we were going to have a candled kitten. Okay, so, and now I just put this here. Why did I put this here? The silicone mats are over there. That's why I brought the silicone mats in for. Okay, so, and it doesn't fit. So, and now this wax is probably going to be hot. There's a shocker. The wax is hot. Will it sink with a metal tip? Yes, it will. Will it stay straight? Nope. That's staying as straight as me. Okay, so I don't know. What am I going to do? I'm going to take popsicle sticks. What did the world do without popsicle sticks? So I'm going to put this like this, which I know you probably can't see that well because... Oh, by the way, that's really, 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 really hot. I got this here. I don't think I can move it. Let's see. Can we move it? Wah! Wah! Okay. Whew. You still may not be able to see it, but at least now it's not on the edge of the table and it's on the silicone mat. Okay, so we got that. Stay there. Okay. Put that there. That there. Okay, so I've got it like tic-tac-toe boarded, or the number sign, or the pound sign, or what do they call it now? Hashtag. That's what they call it now. Hashtag. So I hashtagged the wooden wick inside the mold. Next. What was this again? Oh, it's a lion. This is a really cute lion. So, but I wanted to go that way. So my thought was, I want to do a real wick. But hold it down. I forgot something. No, I didn't. Did I? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. I need to be able to cut this wire. Hold. Ta-da! I'm back. Okay. So what I learned with the regular wicks is that they float up and discombobulate and they don't work well in the molds. So what I do instead is I take my florist wire and I twist it, twist and shout, twist it, twist and shout. Okay, so like that, because I just need the hole to put the wick through. And then you take, oh, see, now it's melted down all of the wax. So it's all wax, you know what I mean, melted, waxed. Okay, so now we're going to take, oh, and I want to take one of these right there and go like this with a florist wire. So it can go like that, see? We got it there. And we're going to pour this in there. Whoa, da-da, 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 da-da. Woo! Actually fills it up pretty good. Woo! Woo! Okay. Next, I've got, this is 2 hands holding a heart. It's upside down. I kind of feel like it's dirty inside too. I don't know why I think it's dirty inside, because it is dirty inside. Why is it dirty inside? All it's done is, oh, you know what? I did it with resin one time with like glitter. I bet you that's what it is. Bet you it's glitter. But anyhow, I want to do the wooden wick again. I think I'm going to need to cut it. Okay. That's real straight, right? Okay. Shh. Pretend it is. Ooh. So these are the, did I tell you these are wooden ones thingies from Temu? Okay. So I got this like this. Got this like this. See, now it seems like it's too long. But I kind of want it too long because don't I need to like push it through? Right? 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 Okay. Neighbors are driving by. They're probably going to think, what the hell is she doing now? Okay, so how do I... Oh, again, let me put this on silicone. So... Pause, please. Okay, so we got this here. And then I'm going to cut this. And I'm going to try to make this stand up even though it doesn't want to. Don't fall out of there, you stinking thing. I want you to stay up like that, kind of. See? That's what I mean. That's what I need you to do. Can you do that? Please do that. Why are you arguing with me? Because my thought is then when it's like still soft, I can push the wick up the rest of the way. Okay. Let's see if that works. Okay. So now we're going to do this. Whoa! See that smoke? And that's why I have my front door open. I spilled some wax on there and now it's smoking. Whoa! Oh, I better shut this off. That might be another reason why it's smoking so. Like, the wax is like boiling. Kind of cool. Still got some wax left. Okay. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, so that's got to cool down now. What do I do with this? Do I put it on there? I didn't prepare very well for this. What can I say? Okay, do you think I can put it on the silicone? No, because it might melt on the silicone, right? Okay, I'm going to hold the hot pot. Okay, so my thoughts on the, what was the name of it? The Babaxi kettle and hot plate and all of that. If you're looking for a hot plate to melt candle wax in that you can, in a zombie apocalypse, use to heat up water, this is not it. This gets hot, it will melt the wax, but it's not doing it in a hurry. If you are someone who's just looking for a hobby, you're a beginner, this is a great option. It's inexpensive, so in 2 months, if you decide this was a dumb idea, it won't break your heart that you spent money on it. This is really, really smoking. Also, just noticed, it's got measurements. So if you're one of those people that actually pay attention to directions, it's got ounces and milliliters on it. That thing is stinking hot still. Be careful of getting wax on the bottom. It makes it smoke, but it didn't catch fire. It has a little caution. It will be hot. If you need a sticker to tell you that the hot plate that you're melting wax in is hot, we really need to discuss if candle making is the appropriate hobby for you. Can I recommend mandala art? Nice, respectable hobby, very relaxing, doesn't include any type of hot liquid. Okay? So that was my review. I will make sure to leave all the information in the little corners and stuff of what I got. I would say I put a link to it on Amazon, but I don't know how the hell to do that. So, okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Try not to be too mean in the comments. And I'll see you later. Bye.